guys, welcome back to Started by Mouse 28. Today we are going to be doing a Mickey to Your Door unboxing. It's arrived today and I can't wait to see what's in it. Mickey to Your Door is a Disney subscription box, and everything they send you is either from a Disney park or from the Disney World area. Mickey to Your Door does many different kinds of boxes. They do merchandise boxes like the one I'm getting today, which is mine is the smallest box, and it's the Wishes box, which is $25, and you pay around $10 for shipping. And they do snack boxes and different kind of pin boxes. So let's get into it and see what we got. So when I first open it, you get the card on top that says Mickey to Your Door, and it says thank you for your order and tells you how you can post on Instagram and Facebook, and they choose a monthly winner for a free box. And I got a Magic Kingdom map, and this is my favorite park, so this makes me so happy to see this. So this just tells you about all the rides and times that different shows are going on, so it's always nice to get one of these. And we have a lot of yellow and pink confetti, which is perfect for springtime. So let's see what's in it. So the first thing I am pulling out here is Goofy's character gummies. And I love this kind of candy, so I'm so excited to get this, and I'm sure they will be delicious. And it looks like they are all Mickey heads, which is really cute. And I believe these cost around $8 in the park, and it is family size. The next thing I am getting is a Basin soap, and last time I went to Disney in December, I actually went to Basin for the first time and bought soap. So this is a very cute bar of soap with rainbow Mickeys. And the last thing in the box is a Ratatouille pin. And I have one that is from the Hide and Squeak series, but I don't have this one, so I'm excited to add it to the collection. So that is everything we got in the box this month. Compared to last month, I am not as excited about this box as that one, just because these items were a little bit smaller, but I do really like them. I will definitely put this soap out as a decoration, and it smells so good. And I'm excited to try these gummies, and excited to put my pin in my pin collection. So I will definitely keep doing Mickey to Your Door. I really do like the boxes, and they have a good value to them. This does meet the value of the box, because I know these pins were at $20 originally. This soap was probably at least $5 or $6. These are around $8, so it does exceed the value of the box. So I really do like Mickey to Your Door, and I would definitely recommend them. And one cool thing about their company is you can select whether it is for a female, male, neutral, and then age group from baby to a toddler to a kid to an adult, or you can say any age. Mine was a female adult. I will put Mickey to Your Door's link in the description below if you want to check them out and all their cool boxes, and I will see you guys next video. Thanks for watching, guys.